Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel! Nakatapos lang naming magsimba here in St. Mary. At ang gagawin natin ngayon, we're gonna walk you around the Hyde Park and we're gonna have some coffee in the grounds. These areas are one of the most visited or one of the tourist spots here in Sydney. And let's go and let's have a look.
Walk tayo,
walk lang tayo dyan. It looks like it's a very beautiful weather today. And let's go and let's see what we can, kung anong maganda dito sa Hyde Park.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go na. Yung unang pupuntahan natin is one of the highlights here in the Hyde Park is the cathedral, yung St. Mary Catholic or Cathedral. Yan, ang cathedral. Yan si Ramri. Hindi alam kung uupo sa kanyang trolley or ano. Tapos may nakita na naman siyang ice cream. Ice cream din ni Are. So, this is the beauty of the St. Mary Cathedral. It's a very big cathedral here in Sydney. Dito kami lagi nagsisimba kapag wala kaming ginagawa or off namin. Okay, let's go inside. Very quick look at the inside before we go to the Hyde Park. So, ito, akyat tayo sa taas. Wow, ang ganda ng architecture ng building. So, lilibutin natin ngayon ang St. Mary Cathedral. And let's see kung maganda ba itong St. Mary Cathedral na ito. Pero maganda talaga siya. Yeah, maganda yung architectural feature niya. Pakalaking building. Cathedral ito. See? We're gonna walk around the St. Mary Cathedral. So very nice building or cathedral. Ganda, diba?
Let's go. Where?
Gustong bumaba. Yan, marami nagpapapicture dito sa stair na to. Tapos, ang background nila is itong St. Mary Cathedral. Napakaganda kasi, napaka-instagrammable yung kanyang ganda. Let's go inside. Here's what you can see inside the cathedral. Very quiet, very peaceful. Kakatapos lang ng mass dito. Nice. Ito, yung features ng cathedral sa loob. Very quiet lang ang ating pagbablog. Meron silang, dito, shop. Mga rosaries, Bibles. We're gonna go further in front. Ito. Ang ganda nung napaka-quiet. Conducive for meditation, for praying. Ganda. So nice building. Ito yung kanilang front area. Yan. Ayan, nag-close light na sila. Kasi tapos na kasi yung mass. So, we're going outside na. Ayan, very beautiful. Beautiful and nice cathedral. So, we're going out na from St. Mary Cathedral. This is the view outside. Ganda, no? Ganda din ng weather ngayon eh. So nice the weather. And dyan sa loob ng St. Mary, kailangan alisin yung cap kapag naka-cap ka. Tapos may mga dress code din sila eh. Bawal magsuot ng mga ka-sleeveless, ganyan. Basta yung mga nakikita yung skin. Hindi naman siya ini-implement ng very strict. Pero nilalagay lang nila doon sa may kung ano yung mga dapat isuot, kung ano yung mga hindi dapat gawin, ganyan. Maganda itong Saint Mary. Maganda yung pakiramdam pagpasok mo, parang feeling mo, wow, mai-inspire kang mag-pray, ganyan, mag-meditate. This is the cathedral house and cathedral office. Yan, part siya ng ating Saint Mary Cathedral. So, ikutin natin ang Saint Mary Cathedral. Alexandria, yeah. This is made of sandstone. Sandstone, no? Galing, no? Galing ng architecture ng building na to. Brilliant kung sino man yung gumawa nito. Very brilliant. Tapos napakatibay pa. Yan. This is the back of the Saint Mary. Kasi wala kasing prom area doon. So we have to use the back part for us to access the prom area. So anong masasabi natin sa Saint Mary Cathedral, Daddy?
100,
100%?
100.
10 over 10. Ganda, no? Napakaganda ng Saint Mary
Oo.
Cathedral. Tapos
The best.
conducive talaga siya for praying, meditation. Yun, maganda.
Ang ganda pa ng kulay niya.
Oh. Out of sandstone. This is the back area. So, mas maganda pa doon sa may front. Wala kasing prom, dun eh. Walang pwedeng pag-anuhan nitong trolley ni Ramri. Hindi kami... So, anong feeling, sir, kapag nagpupunta ka sa Saint Mary?
Siyempre, pag nagdarasal ka dyan, parang yung kalungkutan mo dito sa ibang bansa,
Oo.
parang
Nawawala, no?
Pag pumapasok ka sa loob.
Oo. Iyan ang number one na
kausap.
panlaban namin sa homesickness. Yung mag-attend kami ng mass, magdasal.
May kausapin mo si Lord.
Oo, kausapin si Lord. Yun, nawawala na yung mga tas nababrighten na naman ang aming day.
Pag namimiss namin ang Pilipinas, pumupunta lang kami dyan dito
Oo.
para mag-pray.
Mag-pray. Tsaka mag-pray na din ng mga bagay na
Oo.
yung mga gusto namin, mga dreams, goals. Kailangan ipagdasal lahat yun. So yun, maganda dito sa Saint Mary.
Guys, tingnan nyo, ang ganda talaga nito. Parang, tsaka ang laki talaga. Siguro, kung alam nyo lang yung Manila Cathedral, siguro double yung laki nito.
Oh?
Malaki rin yung Manila Cathedral eh. Double siguro dyan.
Maganda pala yung view pag nandito ka sa may
Oo.
opposite.
So, andito na kami ngayon. Tabi niya lang itong Hyde Park.
Opposite.
Opposite side. Itong Hyde Park. So, ito yung makikita dito.
Or doon sa museum, may coffee area doon eh. Coffee shop.
Dito, ang laki ng fountain. Tapos makikita mo rin tong Sydney Tower.
May mga malalaking fig
Yan,
trees ba to?
Oo. Ito maganda dito sa Hyde Park. Talaga, yung mga trees, talagang
Lalaki.
ang lalaki. Talagang, tsaka lamig dito, no? Dahil sa mga, puno.
Ganun mo.
Yan.
Tapos ayun, bawal pang dito, magputol
Anong magputol?
ng mga puno.
Maglaging?
Oo, bawal magputol kahit yung puno sa tabi ng bahay mo, ganun. Kailangan mo pang ipaalam sa council or sa mga officers ng area nyo.
Sarap dito, no? Jogging. Pag summer, maraming tao dito eh. Papalamig sila dito sa loob. Itong Hyde Park, lang siya. Nasa gitna lang siya ng CBD, Sydney CBD. Tabi lang siya.
Papaaraw kami kasi
Oo. Papaaraw kami kay
malamig.
Malamig. Sobrang luwag talaga ng park na to. 16 hectares. Daming mga fountains.
This is part of the Hyde Park. A very nice fountain.
Oh, let's go
Yeah, beautiful.
Kami.
Just in front, a few steps in front of the St. Mary Cathedral. Very nice. Yan, mga flowers. Ang motif ng flowers nila ngayon is white and purple. Yan si Ramri. Gustong-gusto niya talaga ang mga tubig at may binabalak na naman siyang kakaiba sa tubig. Remember? Ay. Up. Gusto ko talaga tong mga pa-flowers nila dito. Paka-organize. Tapos, every season, pinapalitan nila tong flowers. Ayan, nakuha din namin si Ramre. Gusto pang mag-stay dun sa tubig. Ay, naku po. This is the Park Street, which divided the Hyde Park. Kasi ito, Hyde Park yan. Tapos, pag cross mo ng Park Street, Hyde Park ulit dyan. It's a very big, 16 hectares, I think, this Hyde Park. So we're waiting for the green light so we can cross the street. Yun, 16 hectares. Napakaluwang, napakalaki. Very nice. Very nice place. I love it. We're going further.
Careful.
Slow down, anak. Slow down, please. This is a stair. Good job. Ayan, marunong nang umakyat. Ay, salamat sa Diyos. Ayan. So, in the middle of the Hyde Park, there is a statue. The Captain Cook or James Cook statue. Closer look of Captain Cook statue. So, Daddy and Ramri, what can you say about the Hyde Park? You enjoy? You like it?
I like it.
Yes. You always come here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, having a walk here and attending the Mass in St. Mary Cathedral. Yeah, it's nice to walk around here. It's 16 hectares. And yeah, very big space. Very nice and beautiful. Green space. Ang dami ding mga dyan pag summer, ang daming mga, ano na ngayon? Picnic, blanket, nakalatag, nakahiga sila, nagpipiknik sila.
Yeah.
And kapag winter naman, nagsa-sunbathing. Gonna go further, I can spot the Anzac Memorial over there, the Anzac building. We're gonna go inside also in that Anzac Memorial na sinasabi nila. And it's also situated here in the Hyde Park. Very stunning area, this one. Dami ding mga, it's also Instagrammable. Daming nagpapapicture dito. Yan na, gusto na talagang maglaro sa tubig. Diba, napaka relaxing, refreshing ng environment ng Hyde Park. We're going closer to the Anzac Memorial Building. Alright, let's climb up the Anzac Memorial.
Quiet there, huh?
Let's see what's inside and we will just keep quiet there because this is a quiet place, quiet building. So we are entering the Anzac Memorial, and this beautiful Art Deco monument is one of Australia's most significant war memorials. Dedicated ito sa mga men and women who have served in the nations of armed forces. So, ito. Kasi they are also considered as heroes. And we're gonna see or we're gonna have a look kung anong makikita natin inside. Let's go! Yeah, we are entering the Anzac exhibition, which was opened last 1934. So, sa loob ng memorial, we're gonna find exhibitions, historical displays, and the Hall of Memory. So, madaming mga mosaics, sculptures, and symbolic artwork that reflect courage, sacrifice, and remembrance. So, na-built daw itong memorial na ito in honor sa mga soldiers who served in the First World War. And over time, it has come to commemorate all Australians who have served in conflicts, peacekeeping missions, and humanitarian operations. Ganda no? Medals. Oh, these are the armed forces uniforms and military nurse uniform. So we're out from the building, we're out from the Anzac Memorial. Diyan sa loob, kailangang silent lang. Kasi sabi niya doon, let silent contemplation be your offering. O, di ba? Hindi naman tayo nag-ingay sa loob. So, yay! Let's go and have a coffee na in the grounds. Okay, Daddy, ano ang experience natin sa Anzac Memorial? What we can say?
Dito sa Australia talagang ano sila sa mga ano no, yung mga
nire-respect.
veterans, yung mga talagang
Heroes.
mga heroes,
Armed forces.
mga armed forces.
Talagang kino-commemorate nila.
Oo. Maganda sa ano pa, Canberra, yun yung pinakamalaking ano yata, monument ng mga Anzac heroes.
Oh.
So,
One time we're gonna go there. Canberra area of Australia. Very nice, see? Very nice this place. This Anzac Memorial. This is to honor
dito yan sa
their
Hyde Park,
armed
no? Kasama siya
forces
sa Hyde Park.
who joined the World War I. Okay, this is the Museum Railway. Of course, we're gonna take the lift kasi meron tayong tram going to the Alexandria, the ground of Alexandria. Gonna take the lift. Ano na lang, 3 minutes. This is the museum station.
We will eat
We're waiting here in the museum station. At si Ramri ay mukhang inaantok na. Inom ng tubig. Napagod na sa kakalakad. Joke. There, our train is coming. And we're gonna take the train until Green Square. Tapos bababa kami sa Green Square. So, we're here na sa loob ng train station going to Green Square Station. Tapos, sakay tayo doon ng bus 348 going to the grounds of Alexandria. Yun. Kailangan we need the help of the Google Map. So, we're here now in Green Square. Yan. We're gonna take a bus 348 going to the Alexandria, the ground of Alexandria, of the Green Square Concourse. Si Ramria, inaantok na. So, yun na, naglalakad na tayo. Kuha tayo ng bus 348 going to the grounds of Alexandria. Another 7 minutes ata from here. So malapit lang, mga ilang stops lang, mga 6 stops lang siguro. We're here na sa the ground of Alexandra. Oh, what we can see here in the ground of Alexandra is the even of the grounds Linseed House, the atrium, the garden, the patio, and the lock-in. So it's not just a cafe, but more than a cafe. Like a beautiful garden, bar and barbecue, the potting shed, the cafe. Let's have a look. Ayun, bago ka pala pumasok doon, kailangan mo munang magbili-bili dito sa the cafe.
Wow, yan.
Wow, dyan
Sarap
na.
na hot chocolate mo, oh.
Oo nga. Ay, pour na
Tikman
natin
mo na,
itong
tikman mo.
hot milk pouring into the specialty ata nila ito, yung hot chocolate.
May
no?
Oh, wow. May sugar ba yan? Wala.
Hindi, wala. Zero sugar.
Kay baby.
Ayan, paparating na yung baby chino. Yan.
Oh,
Tapos
ay, yung
daddy,
coffee ko, cappuccino.
coffee, yes. Yan,
Nice.
sarap niyan.
Wow, may heart.
May heart pa.
May pa-heart pa ay.
O yan, tikman mo.
Cappuccino. Ito
Sa akin naman, ang hot chocolate.
Wow, my heart. Ooh. Hi, baby. You love it?
Yeah. I'm gonna taste also this hot chocolate.
Tikman ko nga to. Tikman ko nga to kung anong ano nito.
Si baby, oh.
Yan.
So, ito yung makikita dito sa the ground of Alexandra. The pink motif. Barbie, all pink. Mga telephone booth, pink. Mga goose, pink. Barbie, pink. Everything is pink. Small space lang. Nagko-close naman na sila. Here, oh. Mga books. Fashion books, all in pink color. You like it here? Yeah. Beautiful, right? All pink. Oh, sit down there and we're gonna take you a photo. Come on. Yan, pang bata. Pang-alalitik sa mga bata. Pero kailangan mo munang magkape-kape doon sa may unahan doon. Para, tapos ipapakita mo yung receipt dyan para makapasok ka dito sa loob. Parang yan na si Ramri. Picture. Ang tagal ko na dito sa Sydney pero ngayon lang ako nakapunta dito sa the ground of Alexandra. Iba-iba yung motif nila every season. Kapag Christmas, may mga Santa dito. Tapos ngayon, winter. Siguro naging winter wonderland din ito pero hindi namin naabutan. Tapos ngayon, pink. The Grounds Playhouse. Ayaw na yung umalis dito. Kung anong oras ba? Hanggang alas 9 naman. Oh, careful there, anak, ah. Careful. Huh? You just go inside. Oh, this is also part of the ground of Alexandra. May playhouse sila dito. So, we're done with our vlog today. Wrapping up. So, anong masasabi natin sa ating ngayon?
It's a good experience.
Very nice, right?
Medyo late na tayo dito sa the ground.
Oo.
Medyo hapon na
Dapat,
kasi.
dapat inagahan natin kanina, no?
Oo.
Wala, ganoon
Kaya
talaga.
yung
Late
mga-
kami nagising, eh.
Walang mga foods na
Oo, wala.
coffee lang.
Di na namin naabutan yung mga the barbecue, fish and chip. So, wrapping up, anong masasabi natin dito sa ating mga pinuntahan? Hyde Park. Very nice place, the Hyde Park. It's a public park which is accessible 24/7. And it's a 10 over 10 for me. Very nice place. How about you, yung Hyde Park? Ano masasabi mo doon?
Perfect 10.
Perfect 10. And dito sa The Grounds, anong
Ganda
masasabi natin?
Okay
Cute siya, yeah.
Okay siya kaso medyo late na tayong dumating.
Oo.
Wala na tayong naabutang mga foods na
Mga pwedeng kainin.
Pwedeng kainin.
Yung na lang na
Coffee lang,
coffee tsaka yung cake. mga desserts lang na abutan namin. So, yun lang po. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye-bye!
And please don't forget to subscribe.
Yes.
Bye!
Next vlog.
Yes, see you. Bye-bye. Say bye, anak. Bye.